Welcome back to Johntalks Media. Today we are presenting the second video on the series on how to close the content gap on YouTube. So, in a way of starting, many videos are here on YouTube, but they are bad. They are not relevant. So yes, when I say bad, I mean bad editing, bad audio, bad visual content, and bad structures. Is that okay? So when you are watching the video, like I said in the first video, when you go to search video, these are the things that you are looking for. You are looking for bad editing, you are looking for bad audio, you are looking for bad videos, you are looking for bad picture, you are looking for bad structuring of people's content. And when you find it, that's good news for you. Is that okay? Because where you are finding problem as entrepreneurs, as business people, as business-minded individuals, anywhere you find problems, it means you are going to prefer the solutions. So, if a low-quality video is commanding views, people are viewing it in the hundreds of thousands, and though you know that these are low-quality videos, it just means one thing to you. It means the demand for such kinds of video is high. The demand for such kind of video is high. So now, imagine you made a repeat of such kind of video your own way, a better way, with better editing, better picture quality, better audio, better structuring. Is that okay? Clearer explanation and better hooks. Your idea or your imagination is already making you laugh because you can tell what the result is going to be. So imagine you did all of that. So you find out that actually you don't need new ideas. You just need to rebrand old ideas. What people have done before, you can rebrand them and make them better with better tools. Be the first to do it. So in other words, I am saying find what is working and upgrade it. Find what is working and upgrade it. Now, this is how small channels beat bigger channels. This is how small channel beat bigger channel. Thank you.